Hi and welcome to CamoWolf Airsoft. Today we're gonna test the Norwich SSG96 at 50-meter range at a small box here, little smaller than my head, and we are going from the dog and the circle that's a little bigger than my eyes, and I'm quite happy if it just hit the box more than once or twice, because it's actually smaller than my head, so it's considered a headshot, and that's fine with me, because I will go freestanding like this and nothing to lean against. So let's try it, guys. And I'm rocking 0.46 gram BBs, always also from Norwich. Okay guys, that was really surprising. Oh my god, this gun is amazing. I didn't count, but oh my god, I had many hits, and it's quite hard to stand free and shoot like this 22 shots in a row, because I think I missed two BBs to fill this magazine up, and so it's around 22 shots I fired here. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, and consider to subscribe and give it a like. I really appreciate you watching, and hope to see you in the next one. CamoWolf out.